Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to create tree or hierarchical data visualization in Tableau. In tree or hierarchical data visualization, there are collection of items and each item is having link to one parent item except the root. These are the various methods by using which you can create tree or hierarchical data visualization in Tableau. I am going to use tree map technique. Let us see how to create tree map in Tableau. First connect to data source, select this file. Here we are going to create tree map that will show aggregated sales total across range of product categories. Now drag these order tables on drag sheet here. Click on sheet 1. Rename sheet 1 as tree map and you can give title. Here we are going to find out the aggregated sales for each product category. Now from dimensions, drag product subcategory on column shelf and from measures drag cells on rows shelf. So Tableau create this default bar chart. Now click on show me on the toolbar and select tree map chart type. Tableau creates this tree map. Here you can see various rectangles with different color and size. In this tree map you can see rectangle for product category phone is larger in comparison with other rectangles and also its color is also darker. And for product subcategory fastener, rectangle size is smaller as compared to other rectangles and its color is also lighter. So from this tree map you can easily identify which products are having highest value for sale and which product are having lowest value for sale. So here you can say phones product subcategory is having highest sale value as its rectangle size is larger and its color is darker. And you can say product category fastener is having lowest value for sale because its rectangle size is smaller and its color is lighter. Now you can add one more dimension. Just drag shift mode from dimension on colors. Now here shift mode, it determines the color of rectangles and it sorts rectangles into 4 separate areas, as there are 4 types of sheet mode: first class, same day, second class and standard class. So for each sheet mode type there is separate color. Okay, and here cells determine the size of a rectangle. That means color of rectangle, it depends on sheet mode type, and size of rectangle, it depends on size cells amount. Now you can try another option. First remove this sheet mode from view and select profit from measures and profit on color. Select the sum of profit. Now profit determines color of the rectangle and cells determine size of this rectangle. So see, orange color means profit value is lower and darker color means profit value is highest. So from this tree map you can say product category phones are having highest value for profit as well as sales because its size is larger and its color is darker as compared to other product category. And again product category fasteners, they are having highest value for sales and lowest value for sale and profit. Okay, so in this way you can create tree map in Tableau. I hope you understood how to create tree maps. Thank you.